You're not gonna be able to find this information anywhere else. You can Google it, you can ask ChatGPT, they're gonna have no fucking clue. And that's because what you're about to learn can only be learned through experience.
I haven't seen anything unlike it. It's unparalleled to any other company that's out there.
I didn't even do everything the program told me to do. I just did like the first couple of steps, and I got 100 points in 30 days. So, imagine what could have happened if I had just done everything really, really thorough, been very diligent, just doing just a little bit of that secret sauce. I saw a very dramatic turnaround in a very short period of time. So it's amazing. I can only imagine what would have happened if I had blown the whole program up and done the whole thing the way I was supposed to. I might have seen 150 points, 200 points, I don't know. But it's an amazing program, it really is.
Anybody can do it. Anybody can do it. And it doesn't matter how much credit you get, anybody can change their life. And I tell you what, my heart just skips a beat when I can go into a place and go into, say, JCPenn's, and I want to try to get I want to fill out an application for a credit card, and boom, bang, bing, I'm approved. It's a blessing. It is a blessing. If I can do it, anybody can do it.
740 in less than 3 months? I bought a new car. It's able to get approved for a $300,000 home. Something I never dreamed of. 17,000 here, 12,000 here. Credit limit for a person like me. Never dreamed this would happen.
But in the time since I've had this program, I've been approved for several different credit cards, and none of them had to be secured, which is awesome. I'm just grateful. I'm just really grateful for this being here.
From when she was able to establish her credit again, and she was able to have that buying power, then you can start getting into manifesting happiness. You could get into having the life that you want to live. And without that power, and it's not even power, it's knowledge. With the knowledge, she was able to open the doors that were always close to her and close to us. That one door she opened just completely changed, not just my life, but it's like my family's life.
She's learned a lot from that group.
Every morning.
People encouraging each other, what works, what doesn't work, what bank is lending, what bank gives the best rates on credit cards. I mean, you just learn a whole lot from the group, and everybody sharing what's working for them and what's not.
It's like I've never seen so many people come together to help each other out in that group, to make sure that everybody gets where they want to be. I've never seen that in a Facebook group. Like, so many people are out to help you in that group. They generally want you to be at a good spot in life. It changed my life. I mean, basically, to have the freedom to get the things that you want, I mean, you can't put a dollar sign on that. It doesn't matter, like I said, if you make thousands of dollars and you work really hard and you just have that credit score that holds you back, you don't have the freedom to do those things, and you can't put a dollar sign or any amount on that.
You can't do the simple things, regardless of the fact that if something emergent happened, you don't have that credit. I'm only 3 months in. And my credit scores have gone up about 75 points. Well in the realm where I can now, and I was at 503 was my low, and I couldn't do anything. So now my credit scores are at a point where, the mortgage broker is saying, you know what, you should start looking for that house. We can do it. We can get you there.
This program has really benefited my family because it's brightened up the future for her, and it's just given me hope, because I'm in college now, and I'm planning on having a great job. Seeing that she can get out of debt and that she don't have to remain where she's at, and that she can break the cycle, has really pushed me forward into, okay, I can focus on my schoolwork, and it's going to be a better life for everybody. I can help out.
Listening to people say, you can't keep your job, or you can't stay here no more, I don't have to worry about that. When they threaten me, threaten my life, they threaten my kids' future. And so seeing and knowing that I don't have to walk any kind of way in front of them, then I know that they are set up for a great future. They're set up.